back to my channel, The Russian Manicure. So this is now, you see, before it already was for 4.5 weeks old nails, and now we are ready to change them. So first step, like you already know, it's removing all the old gel polish with leaving a little bit of gel, the base gel, to make sure we have some sort of protection between actual client's nails and the gel polish, because while we are filing nails or doing anything with our drills, so we want to make sure the nails are not ruined, are not damaged, and they're nice and beautiful and healthy. The most important thing in Russian manicure is the health of our clients. That's why it's so important to remember how to clean your instruments, to make sure you're using every time the new file, make sure you're using every time the sterilizing sterilizing machine for your instruments, for the scissors, for the drills, and if you're using pushers, because I'm using like one-time pushers, which I'm throwing out with my gloves and the files every single time. Alright, so we almost filed them down. We decided to leave the same shape, which is almond. My client loves long nails, and yeah, now you can see we are using the small drill number 21 with the red line. It's my favorite, and actually soon on this channel I'm gonna make unpacking from the Shane, which is I'm so excited about, because all my products I'm usually ordering from Russia, and this time, oh my god, it's gonna be a super creepy, crazy, and just be ready. Okay, so I'm the righty person, the right hand person, so that's why usually I'm cleaning the left side of the nails first, and I'm switching reverse and forward, and I am going on the right side of the nail of the cuticle for after I did the whole nails on the left side. All right, so make sure you're not pushing the drill so hard. You literally have to press on it so lightly and without any pressure on the nail. All we're touching is just actual skin of the clients, because this is the easiest way to damage the nail. That's exactly what we do not want. So, and I'm using my little brush, which I holding on my pinky is the most comfortable way for me. So I also know some people using different brushes, like if I don't even know. I'm preferring using the brush which I can use just once, like I said, with a bunch of my other materials, with the pusher, files, and the brushes. I'm using for one client, one brush, and it just keep it safe. It's not just about clients' health, it's also about my health, because you don't want to keep no, let's say, dirtiness or any infections or anything, like literally anything, because it's really important to understand, because client coming from the street, right, it doesn't mean he has an infection or any other stuff. It's just protection, just like protection, like you coming back home and you washing your hands before you eat, or you're just washing your hands because you came from the street. You know what I'm saying, right? So we almost done with the actual manicure. Right now I'm trying to clean here and there, and my favorite part, like you already know, it's scissors. We're gonna cut the cuticles and do absolutely the same work like we're doing. The video is not stuck, I just talking to the client, sorry. I know, we love talking. It's one of my favorite also part of my job, because I can connect, I can talk to people, and I probably have like 70 clients right now. I didn't count for a while already, maybe more. And it's the funniest part that I remember every story you told me a month ago. I remember everything was going on in your life. So that's and we always laughing with my clients that we like see each other much more time, how to say, like more consistent when we seeing our families, you know. Because one of my clients saying, yeah, I don't even see my parents that often like I see you. So that's why literally I can consider my clients, let's say, like kind of friends, because I know all about them and I see them so often. So we already cut the cuticle and look how nice and clean it's look. So I'm just in love with my work and it just making me so happy. All right, and we start with the base coat. Like usually I'm using Russian gels and nice and thick. They also have, not they, like Russian gels has different type of, how to say, like consistent, no, how to say, like a different, like it could be firm, it could be like a soft, it could be liquid, it could be thick. So, and you already, if you still don't know the secret why we are turning the nails down, so let me know and I'll share with you, or you can check it in my other videos. I'm always talking about it. It's a really really important movement and I just don't recommend to miss it. So first of all, we, before applying the color gel, we know we applying the clear base coat, or my favorite way of doing nails, you know, I already love the base coat with a color, which is mixed with a color, and it's giving this like a light effect, or even like a, I wouldn't say it's more classy, because any color you can consider classy, especially nowadays with the modern way of, I don't know, like you see so much on the podiums, on the when the people, what do I say, like the the fashion week, that's what I mean, the fashion weeks, you know. So that's why right now any color could consider a classy. And yes, that's right. That's what considered a classic to me. So I'm in love with red, to be honest with you. It's one of the most comfortable color to work. And if my client coming and doesn't know what she wants, I'm always saying, okay, then we're doing red, because first of all, probably it's gonna sound a little bit selfish, but it's a really really comfortable color to work with. And the second favorite part of it, it's classy. So it's never gonna go out of fashion, it's never it's never gonna go old, you know. This color was with us probably for a couple hundred years. I don't know when the girls actually start put the nails put the, like a color on the nails, but first color was actually red. So that's why it's absolutely my favorite, and it's a perfect consistent. Usually it's enough pigmentation in the color, so that's why it's so comfortable to put it on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. I appreciate your questions. If you have any type of question, please don't be shy and ask me here underneath the videos in the comment section, or if you want, send me a direct message on my Instagram, which is the Russian Manicure, absolutely the same like the name of the channel. So enjoy the rest of the videos and I'll see you soon.